I get? I've been waiting for this for how many weeks? Good morning, everyone. We are going market, quick marketing today. Oh, I see you later, guys. Where is the sushi rice? At least get one sushi rice, but wow. What can be a good substitute for sushi rice if I make sushi? Regular can. Main thing is you put the sushi vinegar.
Nothing.
Yeah. Car is clean. Somebody good yesterday. Okay, we're done.
Both get to eat what we like.
Ito ang aking lunch. So, sekihan, it's a mochi rice, wild rice, and red beans. Ito siya. Balot na balot siya. Nakabalot na nga, may rubber band pa. Ayan. Masarap to, guys. Tapos, meron din ako nitong baliktad. Smoked meat. Ooh. Bango-bango. And this one is poke bowl. So, no. Oh, spicy poke with Maui onions. Oh, look at that. Loaded with protein. Okay. So this is the lunch of Hubby. There you go. Let's eat. Let me cut the ribs. Smells good. Wow. It looks tender.
Piece again. Thought you had a small bone.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. And I have here guava jelly. So this is my own style. I'll just put in here. And I will dip the smoked meat. How you like that? Sampulan na natin. This meat, smoked meat, put a little bit like that of the guava jelly. Wow. And then the rice. So, How is your poke? Good.
Spicy.
Oh, it's spicy? Oh, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. It's like I will just use my hand. I don't need. Ooh. Wow. Try. Wanna try my food? I will let you try. Same thing. The smoked ribs is good. Tender, smoky. That the smoky taste up to the inside of the meat. And then the guava jelly, you do like that. Ooh, I've been waiting for this for how many weeks? Ooh, guess what's inside? Guys, eto yung laman ng envelope kanina. So, this is my new Philippine passport. Oh, I'm so excited. I can travel. Of course, first destination, let's go Philippines. Tara na! Busy na naman po ako sa aking kusina. So, I will be making breakfast. Hi, lalaki ang muscle sa pag-mix-mix. So, eto na po yung ating puto mixture. Init. Pero mahangin naman siya. Bukas mas mainit siya, guys, kasi sabi ng news tomorrow, wala na naman kaming trade winds. Kaya, naisip ko magluto na ngayon. So, eto na yung aking mga cutie molders. So, ang kailangan po niyan, i-grease ko siya, pa-brush ko siya ng ganyan ng konting oil. Ready? Ayan, tapos na. This is 15 pieces. At ngayon, lalagay na natin yung mixture sa molder. Next, maglagay tayo ng sliced cheese. Ito yung isang layer. 15 pieces kasi, kaya yung first one, 7, ito ay 8. Ayan. So, let's go. Tara na, mag-steam. Eto na guys, luto na siya and ready. So, I will just cool this down and then I will show you how I unmold. Ayan, may breakfast na kami. Tara na. So, this is my version of the Filipino flour cake with cheese topping. And I'm back after few minutes at i-unmold natin, guys. So, ganun lang. Yan. Eto siya. And very floppy din. Let's see if it's good. Look at this. With cheese on top. So, ganun natin. Wow. So fluffy. I like the one with cheese, of course. It's so good. Not too sweet, and then the inside is moist, plus the cheddar cheese. This is a good breakfast with coffee. By the way, guys, before I forget, if you wanna know the full recipe of this one, I have several videos uploaded. Just look for this and you can try. I guarantee it's so very delicious. Masarap po siya in Ilocano na imas. So this is it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. So, I see you next video. Bye!